guys, and welcome back to our channel. Do you want to secure your NFTs? Then this video is for you, because today I'll be talking about the first NFT hard wallet on the market, SecuX. This will be a very interesting approach for securing your NFTs. We will go through it in a minute, and we will talk about all the advantages you will have once starting using such a wallet. But first of all, this video is only for educational purposes. It's not financial advice, and without any further ado, let's just dive deep into it. So guys, here we are at Nifty, the world's first NFT hardware wallet, and here that's introduced by SecuX, and as you can see, that's the device. The device is rather interesting because it shows you your NFTs on the go. It'll display over here, which is a very long awaited concept actually, and it makes absolute sense for NFTs displaying, meaning that classically speaking or traditionally speaking, NFTs are secured and stored on wallets. They are just being online or hard wallets on your phone or whatever, but you cannot really view them on the go on a hard wallet device. So that's the first approach here for introducing such a project or such a concept to the market, and as you scroll down on the platform, you will know everything you need to know about this project or this device. Hardware wallet protects your assets and keeps your private keys offline with ultimate security. As you know, the private keys, once they are offline, you're good to go. I mean, if they're online, then you might be hacked. If you're offline, you're all good to go. As you can see here, it can be connected to your device, it can be locked and secured, and it uses advanced technology. Your private keys and PIN are stored in military-grade SAL solid flash CCEL5 plus secure element, and the cross-platform operation here, SecuX web and mobile apps. You can use that to manage, send and receive digital assets anytime, anywhere. So your keys, your assets, no points here to be made in terms of security concern, and also 1000 plus coins and token. That's the hardware wallet supports over 1000 token and 1000 coins and tokens combined, and can manage up to 500 accounts. So that's a massive storage capability for this wallet. The ease of use for SecuX hardware wallets, it's access and manage your portfolio easily, meaning that you can just on the go, it's a device that has a screen, that has an interface, that has different layers of security that can be easily and quite portably managed. Manage your digital assets easily on our large 2.8-inch hardware wallet touch screen. Browse through your investments portfolio and verify transactions on the go, meaning that you can have this device on your hand and you can just go through it as an external mobile phone, but with higher security levels. Security when it comes, depends of course on how much you invest in crypto or NFTs, but once you surpass a certain limit, you will need to take security very seriously, because once you lose it, you lose it. So you might need to start considering that depending on your investment style. Then here, that will give you a very good approach and a very reasonable solution for storing your crypto and your NFT. From concept to product, the SecuX team of experts expects safety and security features at all levels, and as you can see here, they're having hardware wallets in different designs and different approaches, and you can choose and collect, and you can keep yourself updated with the latest devices they have over here. That's the V2018, V2019 and V2020. As you can see here, it has a screen and you can just interact with this screen, and they're also working on major updates here. Here is the first one, SecuX Crypto Wallet add 300 plus EVM chain support. Let's open it here and see what's going on. Once you open this link, you can read and scroll and skim through this major upgrade over here. The hardware wallet provider has released its latest updates that include the biggest increase of coins and tokens across chain, support of over 300 Ethereum virtual machine EVM compatible with the blockchain, Polygon, Avalanche, Optimism, Phantoms, and many others. You can read it, you can skim through it, but it's just a great upgrade if you want to have more access to more coins and more assets on the blockchain. And of course, many of them are Ethereum blockchains, but generally speaking here, you can just be rest assured that all of them is just being interfaced here at this beautiful screen, so you can have everything intuitively done and things can be just add. That's a step-by-step how to add the EMV chain, and you can go through it step by step. You can just add it and click refresh and you're good to go. So the second update here they had, which was the first Cloud Solana wallet to show off your NFTs. That's the masterpiece over here, meaning that you can show off your NFTs on your device. That's quite interesting, because if you have your device quite dear to you and in your pocket, warm and dry and in a safe place, and you have a friend over or someone you know or some potential buyer for your NFTs, and you want to show them the NFTs without exposing your address, without exposing any keys, without exposing anything. So you can just pop up your device, show them your collection of NFTs, show that you're quite enthusiastic and you're quite passionate about NFT collection, and you can just make the deal done, or just show it to the friends and family, or just gaze at them and scroll. So that's the first cloud Solana wallet to show off your NFTs, which is a very interesting approach here by SecuX Nifty, and they are just released its latest firmware update. That's the version here that allows it to become the first cross-chain Solana wallet to display your Solana NFTs on the cold wallet device itself, so you can have it, as I told you, as a phone or as a screen to show your beautiful NFT collection. Why do you need an NFT wallet? I mean, of course you need an NFT wallet. That's not really a question you might be wondering around. Of course, if your investments are exceeding a certain amount of money, then you might need to take care of that in form of a hard wallet. That's the most secure form of securing your investment. Also, for cryptocurrencies, hard wallets are way more secure than hot wallets or mobile devices wallets, because they are connected to the internet, so anything might happen. But with hard wallets, it's just out of reach for anything. Here you can have a video how it works and how to display your NFTs on the wallet itself. You can go through it. Of course, everything is linked down below in the description, and you can read and inform yourself more. But let's dive deep into one very important update over here, or one very important topic over here. The Lucky Moon, the world's first I2E invoice to earn NFT, launched in September 2022. And when you open it here, you will find that things actually are quite progressing all the way back in 2022, last quarter or even third quarter of 2022. That was the launch here for I2E, and that's the invoice to earn NFTs. The Q-Monster is Taiwanese invoice lottery app with over 4 million downloads and 2.2 million active users. So that's quite a lot of users over here, and they are partnered here, and they just got the project Lucky Moon in September 22nd, 2022. That got integrated here in the wallet, and as you can see, Nifty is down there in thing. And now let's shed some light on the flagship model over here. That's the SecuX V20 hardware wallet. That's the best of the best here. As you can see, beautiful design, well integrated screen, and things are looking seamless. And let's see what are the key features here for this model. As you can see here, from concept to product, SecuX team, they dedicated some experts and they inspected the safety, and they put all the effort to make sure that this project is coming as promised. Features here: military grade secure element chip, you have a tamper proof sealing labels, you have support 1000 plus coins, tokens and NFTs, ERC 721 and ERC 1155, that's Ethereum tokens of course, and the largest 2.8 inch color touch screen integrated here, as you can see, in a very beautiful way. You can skim through it, you can just interact with it as a smartphone in some way, but with much simpler interface, and things are so intuitive here on this model. Bluetooth 5 and USB Type-C connections. As you know, Type-C connections here for devices are being popular and widely used nowadays, and support multiple OS on your computer and your mobile phone as well, meaning that it's compatible, and the compatible recoverability here with BIP 32 and the 39 and 44 standards, two-factor authenticator, I mean that's kind of standard nowadays, and the Bluetooth connectivity up to 500 accounts, and a long battery life. So as you can see, beautiful design, and things are very sleek and slim and well thought out here. It looks so amazing, to be honest. And how it works: it's safe and secure, it has a device functions and the device setup and how to connect. You can read through all of this, everything is of course linked in the description, and you can read and get more information. And of course here they are giving you information about the shipping and delivery, what to expect and how to see. And of course you also need to check out if your country is on their list for available shopping, and the cost estimate for shipping as you check out after you purchase this beautiful hardware wallet. So guys, in a summary, we talked about the SecuX hardware wallet for your NFTs and all the advantages and all the perks you will have once you start using such a wallet. So my humble advice for you, if you're an NFT enthusiast, check it out. Everything is linked down below in the description. Inform yourself more. It's a concept that makes sense actually for NFTs. So myself and many others finding this project is quite useful and quite interesting in a way. So I predict a very good future for such a project, and I would say you might need to check it out and inform yourself more. And if you're an NFT fan, then go for it. So as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below, and till next time, bye bye.